Morning guys, good morning. Si Mikey, pinangalanan nito ng Mikey. We just eat our breakfast, just pancake, and then it's raining right now.
It's a rainy day, gloomy,
And it's
windy,
quiet here.
very quiet.
Because Chance is not around, my pamangkin.
No, Chance is not here.
They are in summer right now. Oh, look at this. Oh, she really likes your underarm.
She does.
Ew.
That's her home.
Mikey, hindi nagawa mo dyan. Uy, labas. Labas. Labas, Mikey. Hoy. Labas dyan. Dito.
You want to pick him up?
Ew, you like that body odor?
He likes that warmth, I'll tell you that. Little kitten loves warmth.
Hmm.
He wants a mom. He wants his mommy. That's what he wants.
Yeah. Yeah.
He wants his mommy. Here, get
Oh.
in the pocket. You can't get enough warmth.
Oh. 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 So guys, my husband's sister, she said to bring this cat to the US. Like we will just put her in the box and bring her in the US. Wow. Do you want to go to the US? It's freezing there. Do you want to?
What? Bring this to the U.S.? No.
Can you tell what Sue said? This kind of cat is expensive in the US?
Yeah, they're rare. Look at this. Look at this. He
Oh.
wants to play. What? We gotta give him one of Rusty's toys to play with. This is Rusty's little toy.
Oh.
It's your hand. His claws are like pins.
So update guys, my luggage is already here. I don't know if I mentioned it in the vlog. So my luggage is already here, no missing, it's all complete. And also, what else? What update?
Look, update.
Our workers, they're fixing now the paint is coming off, so they're fixing it now. And there is still some things that need to be fixed, and I don't know when are they gonna fix it, but at least they acknowledge it. Here's the order pizza. Oh, it's balin nila. Oh, up, Tom. Tom, up. You can just reach it from above. Greenwich pizza. Thank you. Pizza.
Rusty, you're a good boy. Yeah.
Yeah. Whoop. Naroon kami guys ng movie because it's still raining outside.
He's gone.
We just ate rice.
Just eating rice.
Yeah, we just ate rice and with tinola.
You couldn't wait for the pizza?
No, because we want rice. You know, we always want rice.
I don't get that whole thing with rice. But I'm American.
Ooh, mushroom.
Mushroom pepperoni.
Mushroom pepperoni and
that's,
pepperoni.
This is bacon. This is pepperoni.
Mm-hmm. Oh. Balin, pizza kamo. Ooh. So guys, we ate rice with tinolang manok.
Come on, man. Get
Because
some
we
pizza.
want rice.
Get some pizza,
And
man.
pizza for Tom. Kakain lang namin guys, kakain na naman. Mm. Mm. Yummy. Mm. Guys, andun si Tom. Nag-walking with Rusty. Hi, update guys. Hapon na. Parang lazy day kasi dito lang sa bahay, umulan maghapon. And then ngayon, mga 4 p.m. na ngayon, no? 4 p.m. na ngayon. And then, makulimlim pa din. At ito guys, inayos na nila. Yan, so nire-repaint nila. So tingnan natin kung kaya hindi ko talaga gusto kaya pag sinabi ng contractor nyo or yung architect nyo or yung engineer nyo na gagamitin nila ay Voltec panel system, huwag kayong papayag kasi hindi maganda. Kasi guys, hindi maganda, in the future, magiging problema ang Voltec panel system. Siguro depende sa pag-install, pero kung sa ulitin, hindi na ako papayag na gamitin nila ang Voltec panel system kasi nasisira siya. Nasisira, lalo na kung nababasa lagi ng tubig. Kaya ganito yung nangyari dito. Kasi wall panel tech system yung buong wall, yung buong fence. Kaya hindi na ulit ang Voltec panel system. Kasi doon sa summer house namin hindi nagbakbak yung mga pintura. What is it?
Just trying to find a distance around here.
Oh, Rusty. And he is so strong, guys. Ano kasi yan? German Shepherd. Binili namin ng 15,000 pesos. Maliit pa yun. Ngayon, sobrang laki na. Pero mga very smart dogs sila. Pure, pure German Shepherd. Shh. Shh. Close ba nga to, bale? Oh, free lang.
Bawi. Okay, let's go.
Oh, nag-vlog oh!
Kung may tae. Palikod. Oh, video ulit hera. Hera na ko. Do you need a ride? Hi, Rusty. Do you need a ride? Rusty, do you need a ride?
Bili na kayo ng lote dito.
Oh, yes. Marami pa para may kapitbahay na kami.
Bili kayo babae na German Shepherd.
Oo. Para may partner si Rusty.
Pero niya, rasta niya.
Rusty!
CIA.
So guys, papunta tayo sa pinapagawa naming pader kasi nabili pa lang namin itong lote and then pinapader na namin ngayon. Ayan, magkabilang side na. So dito na lang sa harap. Dito na lang sa harap gagawin. Kasi gagawin namin dyan garden and then playing area with Rusty, our German Shepherd dog.
Ang kubo din yung mamubutang.
Yung kubo dyan lalagay. Parang malalim. Tapos balin, tatanggalin to.
Ano no? I-neutral anay.
Neutral. Tapos tanggal.
Didi pag-park kayo mo. Hulos kita pag-saka.
Oh.
Sige ba kita?
Nandito kami. Ayan, inaano na siya. Parang nag-start na sila dito sa front. Then patapos na din. Maluwang to kasi 265 square meters. Yung bahay namin 300 square meters. Ito 265 square meters lang. Maganda dito kasi na siya, parang end na siya, no? Palibot kasi to. Parang end na siya ng property. Kasi dito, part pa to ng subdivision, pero binili ng university, no? University, and then ginawa nilang, pinader na nila, siguro naghuhukay kasi sila, baka ginagawa nilang swimming pool. Yan, dorm ng mga estudyante. Kasi malapit lang kami sa sa university. Academy, Cebu International Academy. Gino ko nga si Tom na mag-apply siya dyan sa work kasi teacher si Tom. Sabi ko sa kanya, mag-part-time ka dyan. Andyan lang yung university, college or high school. High school or college? May high school din yata, no?
Doon nila pag-English.
Mga Korean na hindi marunong mag-English. Yeah, dito kasi, usually, yung nakikita namin mga Korean, tapos, Japanese or Chinese. Pero mostly Korean yata, or Taiwanese. Kasi maraming business dito, may-ari, Koreano, and then Taiwanese. So ito guys, ang bago naming property. Yeah, for the meantime, lang muna. Pansamantalang garden and then play area with Rusty. Kasi in the future, syempre, bibenta rin. Kung Panda! Panda, napadisplay ka liwat. Pa-display ka man, panda. Balen. Napudog latikuan. Oh. Alright, mag-drive na. Mag-park na. Mag-park na, Balen?
Kuwan, buwasan ko. Awan siya.
Din niya gawas? Sige, pa-park ko nga dito daw. Sige daw. Reverse.
Abante.
Atras, kuha na to?
R.
Reverse. Sakto na ito. Dire straight.
Abante pa.
Dire straight.
Puro balik-balik ka.
Pag-park yung pag-park pa yung hindi ako sanay. Wow, kadate. Oops. So, one. Perfect. Perfect. Yung pag-parking pa ako at saka reverse.
Pero sinawanan diretso.
Yeah, I did bike yesterday, but it was like hard.
You already did it one time for 20 minutes. You gotta do it longer than that.
Every day.
Exactly.
Every day, I get hurt first.
You ain't gonna get hurt. You did okay.
Kasi, kaward, ikaw na.
Rusty, Lego time!
I'm gonna time.
Ililiguan nila si Rusty. So guys, bumili sila ng barbecue. Hoy! Ba, Rusty? Ito guys. Ano yung palit?
init-init na lang ng pagkain. Come look at this. This is how I
Not too hot.
heat up. Not too high.
Not too hot. Yeah, I don't want. Usually I just eat it cold. Put it in the
Oh,
microwave.
really?
Put it in the microwave.
Yes, we don't have microwave, so ganyan yung pag-init ko.
Put it in the oven for a minute.
We don't use oven.
Really?
Yeah,
Why do you have one?
this is just for,
For show?
no. We're not used to using oven here in the Philippines. I don't know how to use this. Only the top.
Really?
Yeah, they never use it. It's so clean.
Dang.
I have to look at the manual.
Can't be that hard. Broil, bake, reset.
Yeah. Our oven in the US is very useful. Like
Every day.
every day, like the on top is not really, but the oven, yes.
That's great. That's great.
Excuse me.
Excuse.
Excuse you.
Good excuse. That's good enough. Yeah. Don't put too much of that pizza. I don't want to wait. Bill, I should have better guitar. Take the guitar into the room. She's playing the ukulele. It looks great.
Luto. Bukad luto.
Gimpasan mo, te?
Ano ano?
Luto?
Yes, ito yung binili nila. So ito guys, pizza leftover para kanina, and then tinulang manok, and rice, and then barbecue.
What's that? I don't know.
Barbecue.
Barbecue. Hot dog?
Yeah. Banana.
No. The burner still on?
Yeah. For Rusty's food.
Oh, let's see.
Bago na, te? Right na.